How to rank #1 on YouTube and make money forever. The realistic guide YouTube SEO can be a lot to take in, but it's the key to making money without doing anything. It's not likely that you'll always be #1, but I'm going to explain the basics in simple terms so that anyone can improve their videos, get better search rankings, and make money from passive views. Don't worry about the technical terms. This is SEO for real idiots. What does SEO mean for YouTube? Why it matters. Search engine optimization, SEO, for YouTube means making your videos and channel better so that they show up higher in YouTube's search results. The more views your videos get, the more money you'll make without having to do anything. The basic parts of YouTube SEO made easy: keyword research, finding the words and phrases that people use to look for videos on YouTube. Video optimization, making sure that your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails are all optimized for the right keywords. Channel optimization, making your channel name, description, and branding as appealing as possible to get more people to watch. Getting people to like, comment, subscribe, and share your videos is called audience engagement. Analytics tracking, keeping an eye on how well your video and channel are doing so you can find ways to make them better. The easy version of a step-by-step guide to YouTube SEO. Keyword research, figuring out what people are looking for. YouTube suggest. Type a subject into the YouTube search bar and see what comes up. These are words that people often look for. Google Keyword Planner. This free tool from Google lets you look up how many people are searching for different keywords and how much competition there is for them. TubeBuddy, vidIQ. These tools help with SEO by letting you do keyword research, look at your competitors, and more. Making the video title more appealing. To get people to watch, add your main keyword. Put your main keyword at the start of your title. Keep it short. Try to come up with a title that is shorter than 60 characters. Make it interesting. Add numbers and strong words to your title to make it more interesting. 5 secrets to YouTube SEO. Rank #1 is an example. Optimizing the video description, telling people what it's about. Write a full description. Give a full summary of what your video is about. Use keywords. Make sure to use relevant keywords throughout your description. Add timestamps. Make a table of contents with timestamps to make it easier for people to find their way around your video. Add links. Link to your website, social media pages, and products you promote as an affiliate. Video tag optimization, helping YouTube understand. Use relevant tags. Add tags that accurately describe what your video is about. Use long-tail keywords. To reach a smaller group of people, use longer, more specific keywords. Watch what your competitors are doing. Check out the tags that your competitors are using. You can get help from TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Thumbnail optimization, getting the click. Make your own thumbnails. Use thumbnails that are interesting and relevant to your video. Use high-quality images. Use images that are clear and easy to see and have a high resolution. Add text. Put text on your thumbnail to get your video's main point across. Keeping people watching. Make videos that are interesting, informative, and visually appealing. Keep it short. Don't waste time with extra words. Get to the point right away. Add value. Give viewers something they can't get anywhere else. Getting people to interact, audience engagement. Ask questions. Get people to leave comments and ask questions. Respond to comments. Talk to your audience by answering questions and responding to comments. Hold contests and giveaways to get people to watch and reward loyal viewers. Tell people about your other videos. Ask people to watch your other videos. Channel optimization. Building a brand. Pick a channel name that fits. Pick a name for your channel that fits your niche. Write a channel description that will grab people's attention. Give a clear picture of what your channel is about. Make channel art. Make channel art that looks good and shows off your brand. Sort your videos. Make playlists to group your videos by subject. The forever myth. YouTube SEO never ends. It's important to remember that YouTube SEO is an ongoing process, even though optimizing your videos can help them show up higher in search results. You need to keep up with the latest best practices and change your strategy as needed because YouTube's algorithm is always changing. Things that help SEO, but aren't magic. TubeBuddy. A set of tools for finding keywords, studying your competitors, and making your videos better. vidIQ. Like TubeBuddy, vidIQ has a lot of SEO tools. Google Trends. A free tool that lets you find out what topics and keywords are popular. Canva. A tool for making custom thumbnails. The verdict. Simple, not easy, but worth it. YouTube SEO isn't hard, but it does take work and consistency. If you follow these simple steps, you can make your videos better, get higher search engine rankings, and make money without doing anything. You won't get rich overnight, but if you're patient and keep trying, you can reach your YouTube goals.